Past simple. How to use past simple. Is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. There is affirmative, negative and interrogative form. Affirmative. Subject plus verb plus ed. I worked yesterday. I played the guitar. Negative. Subject plus did not plus infinitive. I did not work yesterday. I did not play the guitar. Interrogative. Did plus subject plus infinitive. Did I work yesterday? Did I play the guitar? Mary cleaned the house. Mark did not sing a song. My friend danced all night. Did you eat your food? Regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. Regular verbs are verbs whose simple past and past participle are formed by adding the suffix ed. For example, walked. Work, worked. Visit, visited. Enjoy, enjoyed. Jump, jumped. Start, started.
Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs whose conjugation follows a different pattern. For example, sit, sat, make, made, know, knew. See, saw. Speak, spoke. Eat, ate. Forget, forgot. Know, knew.